Hello, my name is John, and I'm here with Andrew, and we are sharing our learning experience with Mindmapping. Part of that has been developing a test lesson with resources that will help you understand using mind mapping in a blended learning situation. Andrew, any more to add to that?
I just think it's a great tool where you can capture what you are learning and be able to share that and get feedback and feed forward from other people that are interested in the things that you're interested in.
So take a quick tour through our lesson, watch the videos. You don't have to watch all of them to get a general idea, and take the quiz at the end.
Don't forget to give us some feedback if you've got any questions. We'll get back to you.